So let's look at a basic question. We have 3 to the power x equals 20. So if we log 3 to the power 3x, right, and we log both sides, then we can eliminate this 3 to this 3, therefore leaving us with x. As shown by the power law, this will come down here, and you get x equals log 320. Another question, this type is pretty common in the past papers, something of a form like such. So here you can deduce that this is basically 5 to the power x into 2 using index laws. So here we will use a substitution where y is equal to 5 to the power x. So you can rewrite this as y squared minus 12y plus 20 is equal to 0. So now you solve it like you would solve any other quadratic. Factors will be y minus 10 and y minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, y equals 10 or y equals 2. Do not forget to substitute these values back into this equation. So that means it's going to be 5 to the power x equals 10 or 5 to the power x equals to 2. So now solve for x, you can log 5 both sides, in which will eliminate the 5 from the left side. So now you can log both sides, and x equals log 5 10. So next we can x equals log 5 2, and so these are your solutions. Alright, so let's move on to the final part of changing the base. It's a pretty simple theory. So if you have log ax, you can rewrite it as log b to the power bx over log ba, where b is your new base. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just show you the general format. So if you have log ab, then you'll have log bb or log ba. As you know, this will decompose into 1 over log ba. So therefore, we can write this as log ab equals to 1 over log ba. That is the general formula. So let's look at a question for this now. So here, as you can see, we have a change of base. We have 5x and x5. So to solve it, we will use the newly mentioned theory. So we can rewrite this as log 5x plus 6 over log 5x is equal to 5. Now we will use the substitution where let y equals log 5x. We have log 5x equals to 3 or log 5x equals to 2. So x is equal to 5 squared or x is equal to 5 cubed. Therefore, x is going to be equal to 125 or x is equals to 25. There you go. I hope you have a nice day ahead and catch you in the next one.